Hi everyone, welcome back to A Day in the Life of a UPOU BAM student. So today we will be answering your frequently asked questions about my program. So yeah, let's start. What was your biggest challenge when you started the BAMS program? Honestly, when I first started and enrolled sa BAMS, I was really scared because I didn't know how things work here, especially heard and that it was online. So it's really scary as someone like me who has been taking face-to-face classes my whole life. And yeah, but the biggest challenge was learning how to study by myself and managing my time. And pero when MMS 100 started, the early modules gave me a better understanding on what to expect from my program. So yeah, little by little, I adjusted. It wasn't easy because it took a bit of time. I'm still not fully adjusted yet, pero I'm getting there. What is your favorite lesson so far? So far, my favorite lesson was the tone matrix activity kasi it's just super fun na I can produce music dun sa simple software na yon, and I'll show you how to do it kasi it's really fun. How has your understanding changed since the start of the course? So yeah, at first when I started this course, my understanding of it was vague and still confusing. So now I can see how each module builds a foundation for the rest of the program. So I feel more confident than how I was back then and more aware of what BAMS has to offer for me and what to expect from it. And yeah, what do you hope to learn in the second half of the course? Yeah, that's a really nice question, ha? Pero me personally, I want to tackle at least kahit very short lang 3D modeling kasi I really want to learn how to create objects or characters from scratch. And I also want to learn more media theories kasi I don't want to know how media works lang, but I also want to know how it influences people and society. That's very fascinating for me. So yeah, thank you for watching everyone, and I'm sorry if I didn't tackle your question because I only have a short time. So thank you.